To skip face unlock swipe on the Realme C71, let me quickly show you how you can do this. As you can see, I just unlocked the phone using my face, and now to actually unlock the phone I will have to like swipe up after that. So to skip that, let's go for settings first, and from here you'll have to scroll down and go into the security and privacy. From here scroll down again and go for the device unlock and go for the fingerprint and face unlock. Then verify yourself with the pattern, pin or password, whatever, and from here go for the face unlock. And obviously first you need to have your face unlock set up. You need to scan your face first, and after that you will be able to adjust these settings. And here you can find the switch to skip lock screen. As you can see, after unlocking, go directly to the last used screen. So let's quickly turn this one on, lock the phone, and now I will try to unlock it with the face, and it should just directly go for the home screen or any last thing that has been used. So let's see again right here. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's how you can do this right here.